Dear journal and gardening friend, today marked an exciting step towards upcoming fall season with the sun shining. Place them in there so next time you come back to visit, we will know that those are beets, right?
Yep.
Beets in there, chard plants in the ground, and then we'll add some chard. And a gentle breeze in the air, I dedicated my day to planting a variety of fall root vegetables in the garden with a ladybug. She's here. The anticipation of a bountiful harvest in the coming months fills me with a sense of satisfaction. See where that hole is right there?
Yeah.
This one could go down there.
Yeah.
And it connects us both to the earth. I carefully prepared the soil, ensuring it was rich and well draining to provide the best possible environment for the root vegetables to thrive.
Oh, it's ready.
Good job. It is ready. Perfect. So you did an awesome job. Among the vegetables we planted were bitter melons. Yes, the first time in the garden. The last seeds in place, and now the rest of our planting and pruning and harvesting, standing back to admire our handiwork. The neat rows of seeds seemed like a promise of the beauty that nature would soon provide. Closing my eyes, I took a moment to appreciate the simple joys of harvesting. Being a part of this cycle, teaching others, helping others, and sharing my love and joy of gardening, from the planting to the growth and now the eventual harvesting. The sun began to dip below the horizon. I knew it was time to clean up and head indoors. The satisfaction of a day spent tending to the earth. Other vegetables that I planted were health hardy beans, peas, carrots, collard greens, vibrant beets, chives, onions, robust Swiss chard. These rooted plants now hold the promise of delicious and nutritious addition to our meals as the season progresses. Ladybug, our little sweet treasure, watered the newly planted additions to my year-round garden. As I stood back to survey our work, a sense of gratitude and optimism washed over me. This small act of planting connects me, all of us, to the cycles of nature, reminding us that God's promises to provide what we need, and we can find that in Philippians 4:19, Matthew 6:31 through 32. He created the universe and gives food to every living thing, including you and me. The same God who provides food for the animals will not allow us to go without. Psalms 145:15 and 16, Luke 12:24 through 26. The simplicity in tending to our land and reaping the rewards it offers. With each passing day, I will eagerly watch over the seedlings, nurturing them as they grow into sturdy plants with hidden treasures, just like God cares for us and loves us unconditionally. This garden has become a canvas for the changing seasons, and I'm excited to witness the transformation as summer gives way to autumn. Stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy.